In the pharmaceutical industry, every single component has to be documented during manufacturing and be subjected to verification at any time. This is not only vital for ensuring product safety, but also a mandatory part of the GMP guidelines. With the growing use of computerized systems in the pharmaceutical industry, increasingly larger volumes of data are being recorded. There are even manufacturing operations with no manual interventions at all. This is called paperless manufacturing. In order for electronic data to be just as valid as manually recorded information, the data has to meet specific requirements. Several guidelines specify the requirements for computerized systems. The FDA in the US has published the Code of Federal Regulations Title 21 Part 11, 21 CFR Part 11 in short. In the EU, we have the EMA GMP Guide Annex 11. Core requirements of both guidelines are system validation, system-generated audit trails, creating valid electronic signatures, and especially data integrity. All Siemens systems for the pharmaceutical industry meet the requirements of Part 11 and Annex 11. For example, the SIMATIC PCS7 and SIMATIC WinCC systems. Specifically, this means that several steps for implementing Part 11 and Annex 11 are observed during software development. The first step comprises compiling the requirements and aligning them with user expectations. The second step consists of implementing these requirements and testing the system. At the same time, our pharma experts check the functionality in strict accordance with the requirements of ISPE and PDA. Finally, the results are published in a detailed compliance response and a GMP engineering manual. These steps ensure that SIMATIC PCS7 and SIMATIC WinCC meet the requirements of Part 11 and Annex 11.